Arjun and you're watching MK Technical. I'm coming to the point, and today I'm reviewing this Samsung EHS64 in-ear earphones. And guys, this I bought this in Bangalore for 450 rupees. This pricing is its pricing is 450 rupees. And considering the pricing, I would give a detailed review. But first, let's look at what's inside the box. It's already an open box, but again for your sake I'm opening the box. And guys, actually there is nothing in the box, but I'm telling you now, you will get earphones, and nothing apart from that. You will get nothing, and apart from earphones you will get nothing in the box, and you'll find nothing in the box. And and guys, first let's talk about the cable quality. Looking at the cable quality is so good because it is so thick. The cable is so thick, and it's compared to the other earphones which are in the market at this price. I mean, for above from 300 to 400 rupees. The cable quality is very good compared to those earphones like MI basic earphones, and the cable quality is so good compared to the MI basic earphones. And even if we compare to the high end earphones like both Bassett's to 228 earphones, the cable quality is so good. I'm telling you this because the cable is so thick, and you can feel it when you touch it. Okay, then coming to the jack, this is not a right angle jack. That is the major con with this product, and this is not a right angle jack because of that reason. Because this is not a right angle jack, there is a higher chance that the cable may get damaged, so you must be cautious while using the earphone. And uh, and cable quality, and I already told you that cable quality is very good. And considering the pricing, the cable quality, the 3.5 mm jack and cable quality is very good, and the headphone jack is very good. But the major con is this 3.5 mm jack lacks right angled position. And and guys, and if we look at the ear tips ear tips are so smooth. Earbuds are so smooth, and the quality of the earphone is so good. I'm talking about the build quality of the earphones is so good, and build quality is so good, and earbuds are so good. But the problem is they don't provide any extra earbuds. But if we take the board basis 228 or MI basic earphone or MI earphone, which is considered the price, which price is at 690, which is running at the price of 699 rupees. They provide extra earbuds, but these earphones lacks extra earbuds. They simply give you only the earphone with a single pair of buds, no extra buds, and that's then another major con. And and compared to the looks, when compared to the looks, I would give you this earphone a big thumb down, because this looks much more like your old cable. Because this is like 2012 or 2013 earphone. Because I'm not talking about the build quality, but the outlook of the earphone, I mean looks of the earphones, I would give rating about 6 out of 10. Because the looks are not good. Look is not good. This outlook is not good. Okay, then I talked everything about the out feature. And here is the call pickup button and volume up and down button. And and that is the major pro. I would say that it is a major pro because it has a call pickup button, and it has volume up and down button. And at this price, you rarely get this feature of call pickup button. And Coming to the testing and performance, guys, I compared this with both Bassett 228 and uh, both Bassett 228, both Bassett 228 and MI basic earphones. I would say this is far more better than both Bassett 228 earphone, because the bass is so good. And if you are a bass lover and who could afford about 450 to 500 rupees, I would definitely recommend this earphone, because at this price the bass is so good, very good, and very good. And let's come to the vocals. I mean mids are not that much clear, and that too depends upon the song which you are listening, and device which you have tested, and which you had tested. And in my opinion, I had tested this earphone with my Redmi 5, my Redmi 5 mobile, and vocals are okay, vocals are not so good. And at treble, I would say this is where this gives the worst performance in contrast to if we talk about if we talk about the treble, because the treble is not so good. And I would definitely say this is a pure bass earphone. And if you are a bass lover, and if you don't want a good looking earphone, and if you want a nice earphone which has good build quality, then I would definitely recommend this earphone. And don't go for higher end earphones like mi basic mi earphones, or board basics 228 earphone, because the bass quality is so good at this price, and bass is so good at this price. And I would definitely recommend this earphone if you are a bass lover. And vocals are okay, normal. I would say vocals are normal, and that are not that much clear. And treble, I would say this is not for you if you are a treble lover. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep on supporting me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.